What if I told you that some people are making money every single day using AI tools, without coding, without expensive equipment, and sometimes even showing their faces? If you're carrying a smartphone right now, I mean Android, I mean any smartphone, iPhone, stay until the end of this video because one of these methods could become your next income stream. AI is no longer just for fancy technology. In 2026, it's one of the biggest opportunities for ordinary people to earn online. Today I'm sharing with you 5 of the easiest ways to make money using AI tools, even if you're a complete beginner. This video cuts across. It's for stay-at-home moms, housewives, working class, students. Talk about any category, provided you have a smartphone. Where are you staying? Are you staying in a rural area or you're staying in an urban area? Are you on vacation or you're at work? This video is for you. But before I dive in, I would love to put a disclaimer. You guys, this video is for education purposes. It gives you tips. It is bringing for you to 10% of the tips that people have used out there to make it work with their smartphones and the technology that is trending now. In fact, it is not only trending, but it is the future. It is the way to go. You might not have started yesterday, but today is the right time for you. Now, do you know we have these special people that have been with us for some time on all our social media platforms? Don't forget, Christine is a person that says we cannot hold a smartphone and beg for bread. You can beg bread today, but tomorrow and the next day. Are you a kind of a person that you're always with a smartphone? Have you been online for more than 2 hours? Please stay tuned. Let's dive in. AI content creation. The first and easiest method is creating content using AI. Using AI tools to generate video scripts, captions, blog posts, social media ideas, and YouTube content, it is the way to go. Then it is published, and this publishing the content on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, or your own blog. The beauty of AI is that it saves hours of work. Instead of spending 3 hours writing a script, you can create 1 minute, you can create in a minute and focus on growing your audience. The more evergreen content you create, the more chances you have to earn from ads, from sponsorship, and even affiliate marketing. The second one, the easiest way to make money with the AI tools is AI-powered freelancing. Many businesses need help out there with writing, with social media management, with email marketing, and even customer support. You can use AI tools to complete these tasks in a very short time, very fast, and you can even offer your services on freelance platforms. For example, you can use a task that normally takes 4 hours, which can be completed in 1 hour with AI assistance. This means you can serve more clients and increase your income without increasing your workload. The third one is sell AI-generated digital products. This is one of my favorite methods because it can become passive income easily. Use AI tools to create ebooks, to create planners, to create social media templates, to create business checklists, study guides, or printable products. Create it once and sell it repeatedly. Imagine waking up and seeing sales notifications from a product you created weeks ago, year ago, even months ago. That's the power of digital products. I give this one around 80%. The fourth one is affiliate marketing with AI. Affiliate marketing is simply recommending products and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. Do you know what affiliate marketing is? Please kindly put in the comment section what you think. AI can help you write reviews, can help you create content ideas, can help you generate email campaigns, and even it can help you produce engaging social media posts. Instead of struggling to find what to post every day, AI helps you to create content consistently, which increases your chances of making sales. The fifth one is AI video creation. Faceless YouTube channels are growing rapidly, If you didn't know about what Faceless YouTube channel is, please put it in the comment section. AI can help generating scripts, voiceovers, video ideas, thumbnails, and even video editing assistance. You don't need a professional camera or studio for you to do this. What you need your phone, and you need your tool. Many creators have built channels around finance, motivation, technology, and even education, and facts using AI-assisted workflows. Once monetized, these channels can earn through ads, they can earn through affiliate marketing, sponsorship, and even digital product sales. You guys, the biggest mistake I've seen with social media, and even people when we talk about making money online, it's spending months learning about AI without actually using it. Recently, my friend sent me a skill. Let me put for you. You listen to this. I'll put it at the end of the video. You see what my friend did with AI and her poem. Kudos to you, Kayla. Pick one method from this list today. Please start small. Stay consistent. Remember, AI won't replace people who work hard. It will help those who use it wisely and earn faster and work smarter. If you found this valuable, follow for more practical ways to make money online and build multiple income streams for this. You guys, I've used AI for a long time, and some of you might be asking, what are these AI tools? Like me, I've been using Gemini, I've used CapCut, I've used ChatGPT, I've used Meta AI. They are in video, there are very many AI. There is Canva. So which one have you used, you as a person? And if you have not used any, please also put it in the comment section. And above all, I've used Suno AI. Suno AI is one of the best that will turn your poems, will turn your testimonies, will turn your text, stories into music. So guys, thank you very much. Let me know what you think about AI, if you've used it.